Hi traders, welcome to our channel. I am Leader. This video is only for education purposes. It's not a financial advice. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you about my trades, which I shared with my members on Discord last week. Before the market moved, in this setup, I will focus mainly on two tools because these tools will help you find an edge. Alright, so let's start the video, where I will first explain and define Discord post. My and another important thing, please apologies in the advance since English is not my first language. So if there are any mistakes, I'm sorry for that. Let's go to Discord. I posted on 24th June that there are a lot of people trading SFP and fill limit orders on the order book, and longs are opening up. This is a market trap. Now, the market wanted to go down because there's liquidity below that needs to be swept. When the market reached this level, I posted that the market has swept the medium liquidity and major liquidity is pending. Like it was pending below. When the market is sweeping liquidity in one direction, it aims to capture big liquidity by creating a range where it can collect scattered liquidity and then sweep the major. The order book is approximately 1000 BTC limit. Orders are filled on SFP. Selling was absorbed, but major liquidity on the downside was pending, which will help fuel the market upward move. The downward indicators suggested that the net position is long or short. It appears that this is a significant short position open which is yet to be absorbed within this time limit. I had posted about CVD shares in the aggregated market, which was quite indicating no diversion or buy selling indications. This meant that retail traders were taking FOMO positions and big players were not present they were not present at the moment. In this picture, it appears that the retail trader is opening a long position despite the market not being able to move upside. So in this post, I had mentioned that Ethereum is strong and it hasn't gone below the previous low yet. But BTC is going down. It is just going to sweep liquidity in BTC. And after that, an upward bounce will come. After few minutes time period, when the market was going down, I shared the liquidation heat map and order book showing that 90% of selling was absorbed by the market and liquidity was being hunted. The market began to sweep the downside liquidity. I had set a long trade limit at 59,000 which got filled. It was a simple all major liquidity sweep and absorbed selling in the order book. When I checked it in the morning, the market had bounced back by 5%, catching short wrap traders in the market. The market quickly bounced upside, hunting for the stop loss and liquidation of those who were opening FOMO shorts in the market. So on the 25th, I wasn't available due to some personal work, but on the 26th, I closed the trade and posted on Discord that the market was rejecting from the POC plus AVWAP, or you can call it golden pocket, and there was an OI trap that couldn't push market upside through. I closed my position at 62,000 and opened a short position because the market hunted the stop losses of those who were taking FOMO short entries when the market was going down. There was high leverage liquidity here, which the market hunted. I took around I took another long trade from 60,700 again because the market swept liquidity from there and orders were protecting that zone. The order book here was protecting the market by buying limit orders. Now the market book was showing that orders were protecting the market from going down. But first it conducted an upside liquidity hunt because short positions were being opened here. The market did not want to give them any profit, so going up first to hunt their stop losses was the market's first priority. On Discord, I posted that I will wait for liquidity hunt and then open my long position. I have posted a picture of aggregated market CVD. The market is going down and spot buying is happening. It is just a liquidity hunt and the market will bounce back up after this. A liquidation heat map or order book usually shows that there is liquidity and pending order on both sides, indicating that the market can move in either direction. I closed my trade on 27th and opened a short scalp trade entry because there was a big order wall on the upside and the market also triggered stop loss hunting. And then on the morning of 28th June, I closed the trade here because both side liquidity was pending. I didn't know that which liquidity the market is gonna take first. So the market first the went down in the liquid like it went down to hunt the liquidity. Then I take a long trade because the market has hunted down major liquidity and limit orders are active in the they were active in the order book. The approximately 2,500 limit orders were protecting the area. While new trap shorts were being opened, the short position in the order book is being absorbed and the limit orders are being filled, but these orders were protecting the market and helped it to move upside. After hunting for liquidity, I opened my long position. My position's close target was pending liquidity to the upside. Um, Sorry for the liquidation heat map. It's still loading. Bear with me for a minute. So, the target was the major liquidity in the market to finish it off. I targeted the major liquidity and I closed my trades and I waited for a short entry. As I mentioned on July 1st, that the market would go upside for once and retest liquidity. The golden pocket or value are high plus VWP and swept liquidity. I marked zones in the liquidation heat map that were functioning as support or resistance. I posted this. The market first hunted liquidity support and made an upside move. The target of the upside was the liquidity that those traders who had opened short positions in the previous move had their stop losses at. I entered the market, and after that, it started a downward journey. My short term closing target was 56,000 because there is significant liquidity available here. When the market went down, reducing medium or short term liquidity, often leading to a small bounce back, followed by a downward move starting. The order book is a significant resistance that was preventing the market from moving upside. Earlier, there was a resistance around 700 BTC and again a retest at a resistance of 1800 BTC, which was holding back the market from making an upside move. The post I shared about HTF chart is being is getting a big sell. Why? Because 3000 BTC that have been sold in the market within a small range, it actually helped the market to go down. It pushed the market to went down. Yesterday evening, the market moved downwards, hunting for major liquidity on small time frames and experiencing a slight bounce back. Retail traders opened long positions, causing the market to drop again. It then rebounds from the previous low, hunting for medium liquidity and then bounced back once more before another downward momentum targeting medium liquidity and small bounce back again to again the market to go downside. The closing point is around 55 to 56,000, indicating significant pending liquidity that could lead to a significant market bounce. I knew that if the market crosses 59,000, it will break into a new range and move towards 55,000 or 56,000. In the in the 56 to 55,000 range, there is a significant pending big time frame liquidity. The market liquidity resembles a desert dish. The order book has some walls that will provide support to the market. And now, finally, one last thing. Anyone who wants purchase different trading plans using a referral link will receive a big discount. But if you encounter any issues while availing the discount, please DM me on Discord and I will assist you. Joining our Discord is free of cost and it's for educational purposes only. I repeat, this is not a financial advice, this is not a financial suggestion. This content is purely for educational purposes.